reacted to Godzilla Ragdoll, but this time we got King Kong Ragdoll, and let's see how he reacts to him being ragdolled and destroyed. We're starting off with, oh my, yo, that is not Ragdoll, I am sorry. He got burnt into a crisp. Ooh. Oh. Okay. That is not Ragdoll by oh my days. Ooh. Okay, Kong is fine. He doesn't even need his hand. Did his hand turn into his butt? Look at this. His hand went inside his butt. Hey. Ooh. Alright. Super punch. Ooh, 1 building, 2, 3. Oh my days. Oh, what happened? Oh, yo, Kong, I kind of feel bad for you. When he goes against these buildings, it's not that bad. It's not... I would like to apologize, Kong. I'm sorry. Yo, maybe we mistreat Kong in this channel, but no. We love Kong. Everybody here loves Kong. Shout out Kong for putting himself in these thingies. Oh, his head is gone. Ooh. There we go. Yo, that one wasn't that bad. That one wasn't that bad. Even with this one, when he goes through cities, yeah, he gets a little damaged up and whatever, but he is fine. He's fine, guys. Ooh. Oh, he's still fine. Oh. I want it falling down from like the tallest skyscraper in the world. Yo. Why does his head... Oh, okay. I was about to say, why does his head pop out? But now, it popped out, but it went back in. Ooh. Oh! Yo, I kind of feel bad for him. Alright, this one shouldn't be that bad. Yeah, it's not that bad. I mean, he became a building. He became a building, so... Yo, it's more satisfying watching like the buildings fold and mold into Kong than him getting destroyed by the buildings. And like, look what he did to the poor plane. Like, what did the plane do to you? The bridge isn't gonna do much to you, but still. Like, see, he's fine. But it's just the destruction he leaves behind is crazy. This just shows you how powerful these kaijus are. Imagine Godzilla doing this. Yo, soy milk papi, if you want... Yo, pause. I ain't calling anybody papi, but like, that's his channel. Check him out down in the description. If you're watching this, make Godzilla Ragdoll. I believe this is Teardown, right? Hold on, we're gonna go back. Did he just go inside the world? My boy's going to the nether. Yo, where did he go? Oh, this is small Kong. I think this is like baby Kong. Because sometimes he's small, sometimes he's massive. Oh. Oh! What just... Oh! What's going on? Wait, is he controlling him? Oh, no, do it again. Oh, I like this. Okay, now this is what I like to see Ragdoll. Yo, come on, just fling him across. Oh. Oh my, there we go. Oh, again, round 2 is crazy. What? Why is there this? Who was that guy? Ooh. Oh. Kong, yo, shout out to Kong for doing all of these, bro. Why does it only show the worker? I feel bad for him. What did my... Yo, rest in peace, worker, bro. You will be missed. Slow motion. I low-key want to do this in RPS. So if you guys want to see that, check out the gaming channel. Not my gaming channel, bro. My gaming channel, we don't talk about this. I have not uploaded for a fat minute, but I'm working on a new video. Guys, I'm sorry. I am very procrastinating person. I don't know how to describe it, but yeah. Ooh, he destroyed that plane. Oh, oh. Yo, these punches are actually insane. Ooh. Ooh, what is this? It's like they're inside the city, but did you see Kong? Oh my god. He looked so like he was chopped. Oh. Which one is your favorite, guys? Comment down below. My personal favorite is him falling down. Like, I like him, what's it called? Like, being tossed around and hit in these cities and whatever. But my favorite is when he was picked up and like just thrown around. That one was actually so cool. Ooh. Oh my days. Oh. Oh. Just more than... Yo, it's enough. Oh. Kong. The building is still standing, but Kong isn't. Okay, maybe the building... Yeah, okay. Yo, I don't know if the... Yo, somebody called the mechanic. I don't know if the building...